You are going to love the 2013 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, electronic stability control, active grille shutters, day-night rear view mirror, dual note horn, front license plate bracket, front stabilizer bar, rear stabilizer bar, speed control, overhead console. Your new ride is just a phone call away.